Maharaj, I would like to know what is your vision about women in spirituality. How can a woman manifest her spirituality in this society? What is the role of women in spirituality?
You see, in the spiritual domain, there is no such discrimination as men and women. Because we all are spiritual beings. Like our bodies may be different, but the soul that makes the body alive is spiritual. And in that context, in the spiritual context, actually everyone is a woman. Only Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is the only male. Otherwise, everyone else is a female. Female in the sense, everyone else is his energy, his potency. Therefore, energy and energetic. Energetic is the masculine aspect, and energy is the feminine aspect. Energetic is the enjoyer aspect, and energy is the enjoyed aspect. So Krishna is the supreme enjoyer, and everyone else is meant to be engaged in Krishna's enjoyment. We are all supposed to be enjoyed by Krishna. In the sense, we should provide, our business is to provide for Krishna's pleasure. And when we do that, then our relationship with Krishna is established, and we become situated in our spiritual identity. But as a matter of fact, the women are in a better position in the spiritual context, because spiritual life means developing our loving relationship with the Lord. And women have a better ability to love. By nature, women are softer, they're more delicate, their heart is soft. And the soft heart is conducive to develop love. Therefore, in reality, women are actually in a better position when it comes to spiritual practice. And if you look at the Vedic context, there are so many women who have played such wonderfully significant, such wonderful roles in their spiritual life. Like, for that matter, Krishna's greatest lover is Srimati Radharani. She is a woman. The gopis of Vrindavan, they are the most intimate associates of Krishna, because they don't have any other consideration besides loving Krishna. And in the Vedic culture, you'll find so many exemplary women. Draupadi, such a wonderful, Kunti Devi. They are such great devotees of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And in many respects, you can see they are female, and apparently they are not really coming forward, but they are such exalted personality and with such profound spiritual wisdom. And Krishna reciprocated to them in the most wonderful way. Krishna considered Draupadi to be her greatest devotee. In any time, whenever Draupadi was in distress, Krishna personally came to assist her, to rescue her. Kunti Devi, although she went through so many difficulties, but Krishna was always there for her. And this is how Krishna actually takes care of his devotees and reciprocates with his devotees. When it came to the loving relationship with the gopis of Vrindavan, Krishna actually said that I do not know how to compensate, how to reciprocate properly to the love that you are offering me. I cannot. All I can do is I can just offer myself to you. I am sold out to you because you purchased me with your love. So that is how the Lord actually reciprocates. So we have to understand that ultimately spiritual life means developing our loving relationship with the Lord. And there is no such discrimination in spiritual life.